Here's how to check if an iPhone is real or fake in 2026. If this video helps, please like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Fake iPhones exist, and they often run Android with an iOS-style interface, so it's important to verify before buying or using one. Open Settings. Tap General, then About. If the phone is real, you'll see iOS version, model number, and serial number. Fake iPhones usually don't show real iOS details. Open the App Store. A real iPhone has Apple's App Store. If you see Google Play or an unknown store, the phone is fake. Press and hold the side button and try activating Siri. Fake iPhones do not have real Siri support. Open Messages and FaceTime. Only real iPhones support iMessage and FaceTime. If these don't work, that's a big red flag. Dial star number 06 number to see the IMEI number. Then visit Apple's official coverage page and enter the IMEI. If Apple recognizes it, the iPhone is real. Real iPhones have premium build quality, smooth animations, and no lag. Fakes usually feel cheap or slow. If the price is too good to be true, it probably is. Always buy from trusted sellers. And that's it. That's how you check if an iPhone is real. Subscribe for more iPhone tips.